Hi there. My name is Adiola Kingsley James. Today I want to talk about procrastination. Now, what does it mean? I think simply is that it is you putting off something you can do now and saying you do it later. Now, I'm not sure that I personally believe that procrastination is a disease or is bad. I don't personally think really anything is bad. I think it's how you use it that matters. Sometimes you may not be led to do something at that time because maybe it's not the right time. And then when you are led to do it, you get up and you do it and you find out that you did it at the appropriate time. So sometimes it's actually your intuition saying you should not do something at a point and then do it later at the appropriate time. However, if it's something you know you want to do or you need to do. So, for example, you're putting together a webinar, you need to send out emails, and the webinar is timely. You need to send out emails at a particular time. You need to make certain phone calls at a particular time. You need to put some things in place at a particular time. But you then say to yourself, I'll do it tomorrow. Now, a lot of times it's because you're not inspired enough, or you think you need motivation to be able to be inspired to do the things that you need to do. Truth, motivation only comes when you start. You need to take the first move first, I'll add, for you to be able to get motivated to do what you need to do. So don't sit down and wait for inspiration or motivation to come. It's in the doing that the inspiration and motivation comes, and then new ideas come, and then you can do more and be more. So today, remember that sometimes procrastination, or what may seem like procrastination, is actually not a bad thing. Is that it isn't happening at the time that it should have happened. However, if there are things you're putting off today that can help you to achieve the things that you want to achieve tomorrow, then you need to get up now and do it. And then the inspiration comes. So don't wait. Don't sleep on your goals. Don't sleep on your dreams. There are certain things that you need to put in place to be able to achieve some of your dreams and goals that are timely. Get up today and do it. And I'm here rooting for you as well. Once again, my name is Adiola. Have a wonderful day.